guys, today a lot of people are having their documents, videos, photos stored only in the cloud, and this can be super convenient, but it can be also a big risk. First, it can be a safety risk. Second thing, it can be lost, or the cloud provider is preventing you from accessing that. There are many reasons why we don't want to have everything in the cloud, or at least not only in the cloud. And so here we have a really good alternate solution, or at least a solution on top of that, which gives us a lot of flexibility, a lot of extra safety for our documents, photos, videos. And that's the iDiskk Photo NAS PN-201S. It has a whopping 2 terabytes here already built in, so that's nothing which you have to subscribe. That's really built in here, and it's supposed to be easy to be used. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you how to connect, how to use, and then I'm going to let you know what I think about that. Okay, and so here we go. It's really nice protected, also nice protection here all the way around. And so here we have it, really nice, very beautiful. And on top we have a lot of openings, a lot of ports. We have 2 times USB. We have even a dedicated Ethernet port, which is really nice. So we can directly attach it to a router. We don't have to use complicated Wi-Fi setup. And here's of course the power port. And there's even an Ethernet cable included in the set. Comes with a full instructions manual. And of course we get the power supply. And so we have everything ready here for the setup installation. So what we have to do here to turn it to the back, by the way, there's no personal information. That's just the standard QR codes for the iOS app, Android app, but there's also a desktop app for PC, Mac OS, and so on. And we have also the user manual. There's no personal information, no serial number, no nothing, so I can show you that. Of course, we need power first, so I connect it to 110 volts and plug it in here, and then I connect the Ethernet cable to the router on one side and to the iDiskk on the other side. And so I'm scanning the QR code here. Let's see where this brings us. Yeah, that's their website, so I can click on download. I would say also very important to download all the instructions, app manual, and so on, because there's a lot of information here. That's a print from the website. So we have the iOS, Android, Windows software, Mac OS, and it's very helpful also what we get from the instructions manual. You can see very detailed information. By the way, I've downloaded the exe file for the Windows and the APK for Android, and I've checked it on virustotal.com, and there was absolutely no problem with that. And so here in the download we have the iDiskk Photo NAS. Let's open this package installer. Of course we have to give the permission to install unknown apps. Install. We can also allow Google to scan the app. That's also a good idea. And so you can see Google Play Protect has scanned it and has nothing found. So it looks really good. So click on install. At this point also a good idea to turn on this iDiskk here from the side. Short press is turning on, long press will turn it off. Also a lot of information here directly on the screen from the iDiskk. By the way, we can feel that it's a really hard disk, it's not an SSD. We can feel the hard disk spinning. By the way, here's the IP address, I had to cover that. And so we can see a C drive, which is the system drive. We have a D drive, which is the data drive. But of course, if we need more than this 2 terabyte storage, we can add an external hard disk. For example, this one here. And so you can see it has detected it automatically. We have it here, USB 2, 49%. But if you need to really work with that, you have to configure it here in the app. And so in the app, we have the local information here about the phone. But of course, we have to add a device, scan and add within LAN. Make sure that your iDiskk is turned on. Usually you can see the green light. If you're not sure, you can always click short here. And so it has found the iDiskk. We click on that, confirm, operation successful. And so now you can see we have the local information, we have the photo NAS, which is actually this device here. We have the full access. That's absolutely awesome. So I'm not going to show you all the functions, but maybe basic photo backup. So here again we have the Photo NAS, and here we have the local phone. So I click here on Photos, click on Backup, and you can see it's already backing up. I don't have to do anything, starts automatically. Absolutely awesome. And so it's copying now all the photos and videos to this iDiskk Photo NAS, no matter if you are here or anywhere else, could be even out of country, very far away, doesn't matter where you are. You don't have to be in the same network. Just for connecting, you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network or same router. After that, you can back up or access all the files from anywhere in the world through Wi-Fi, mobile data whatsoever. So absolutely awesome. And while I'm talking, you can see this counter here, how many photos it has already backed up. That's really nice. After the backup is finished, we can access all the information which we have copied from here to here. Now also here we can see this icon here. That's a really nice thing. So we see the Photo NAS here, we have it also here, so we can click on personal, for example, and so we see the backup here, camera, and everything which we have already backed up here. Really a lot already. So these files are not stored here on this phone. These are the files which are on this Photo NAS. And so for example, if I need one, I can mark it and click on download, and then I have it back here on my phone. So we really have everything what we need. We have wireless automatic backup for photos, videos, and other documents. We have global remote access to all our files, and we have dual data encryption transmission. We have real-time data synchronization. And so I would say a really nice thing, not too difficult. I mean, of course, not super easy, especially to set up, get all the information, download everything, install everything, maybe do all the virus scans because it's not available from the official Android Play Store. Probably same thing on iOS. That's a little bit disappointing, but we have definitely a lot of possibilities, a lot of information. We can do really a lot. I haven't found anything how to back up this disk here. I mean, it's a hard disk drive. It could fail theoretically or could be stolen or so, but usually we are using it as a backup anyway only, and not to move data to here, but we could use that of course for that. And then of course we would have to find an option how to back up this iDiskk itself. I haven't been reading everything, but since we have also a desktop client for Windows, it shouldn't be too difficult to access all the data there. But I think we don't have an option to just attach another hard disk and then use RAID 1 like a normal NAS, where we could have duplicated data, full redundancy. So in case the hard disk will fail, we still have everything. I think that's maybe not the main idea here. Other than that, why not? Could be a really nice thing for you or as a gift for something who is traveling or whatsoever. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.